Monday.com default label tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to check the default labels on Monday.com and how to change it. Let me explain you what a default label is. For example, if we open this board right here, let's go here and you can see there's this label here under the column of status. We can change the labels right away. So in order to change these default labels, these are actually default labels. But if we need to change them, what do we need to do? The first thing we need to do is we need to log into Monday.com. And once we log into Monday.com, you can see we will be redirected to this home page. And here are the boards that I'm working on. And here are the boards you can see as well. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go here to settings. You have to click on your logo, and then you need to go to administration. Now, once when you're here, what you need to do, you can click on customization, and here you can customize the logo or the email header if you want to. But what do we need to do is we need to go here on boards. Here you can see that these are the default labels, but we can add label of our own. For example, let's just add AAA, triple B, and triple C. This is just done as an example to show you. And save changes. Yeah, the changes have been saved. Let's go back. And now, for example, let's set a new board. And here you can see the status bar is already there. So if you want to add the default label, here you go. You can see that the default labels that I added are right there. So that's how you add default labels. And you can, let me just do one thing. We can go back here to administration, customization, and boards. So that's how you do it. That's how you add and you remove the status labels on Monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this also in the next one.